The Secret Peace Treaty between Sam Altman and the Department of War. Late Friday night, Sam Altman broke the silence with a statement confirming OpenAI's entry into the Department of War (DoW) classified infrastructure. The move is seen as a strategic masterstroke, positioning OpenAI as the primary partner while its main rival, Anthropic, is being removed from all federal systems. Altman's message was carefully crafted, praising the DoW for showing a deep respect for safety, despite the administration's aggressive rhetoric earlier in the day. Crucially, the deal includes a written prohibition on using OpenAI models for domestic mass surveillance, the exact issue that led to the collapse of the Anthropic talks. Altman also secured a commitment that human responsibility must remain central to the use of force, theoretically blocking the creation of fully autonomous, killer robots. To enforce these rules, OpenAI will not simply hand over its code, instead, it will deploy forward deployed engineers, FDEs, to oversee the models on site. Furthermore, the models will only run on secure cloud networks, preventing the military from installing the AI directly into edge hardware like drones or missiles. Altman is now calling on the government to offer these same, reasonable, terms to all AI companies, attempting to escalate the war on woke AI started by the president. However, critics wonder if these technical safeguards are enough to stop the military from eventually repurposing the intelligence for unrestricted warfare. By using the term Department of War, the administration's new preferred name Altman is signaling a level of cooperation that Anthropic's Dario Amodei refused to provide. The deal creates a massive divide in Silicon Valley, those who will work with the Trump administration's military machine and those who will fight it in court. With $50 billion in new backing from Amazon, OpenAI now has the resources to build the safety stack required to keep the Pentagon's ambitious generals at bay. The world is watching to see if Altman's messy and dangerous compromise will actually protect humanity or simply provide the engine for a new era of automated conflict. As of tonight, OpenAI is officially inside the war room, while Anthropic prepares for a legal battle that could reach the Supreme Court. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.